Happy Friday. It's Chelsea and Sailor here. Who can resist a puppy and a cocktail at Messermeister Gather Kitchen? Oh, thanks, love. Oh, kissies are good. Today we are doing Coastal Weaver with our friends at Coconut Cartel. 2 ounces. Half an ounce Dememara Syrup. Half an ounce. Half an ounce Aperol. 3/4 ounce Grapefruit Juice. Half an ounce lime. Who said there's not nice skills in cocktail hour? You called the hall, baby, it's Friday. Más cocktail para mí, para tú, para nosotros. Kawashima, on sale. Happy Friday. The Coastal Weaver, not a beaver. That's what I keep wanting to say. Damn, that's good. Jeanette's drinking it back there. See you next week. Cheers.